In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly undo and redo changes in Miro. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to this collaborative platform, mastering these simple shortcuts will significantly enhance your productivity and workspace fluidity. So let's dive right into it. To start, we'll navigate to Miro's website. Pull up your browser and type in miro.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now, Miro offers a couple of convenient ways to sign in. You can either use your email address or, if you prefer, your Google account. This flexibility makes it easy to get started quickly. Assuming you're moving forward with your email, go ahead and click on Continue with Email. Simply enter your credentials, hit sign in, and you'll be directed to your Miro dashboard. Here you'll see all the boards that you have access to. Click on the board you'd like to work in today. This will open up the interactive canvas we're going to explore. For demonstration purposes, let's work with some text on your board. Highlight a section of text and for fun we'll make it bold. This small change helps illustrate the power of undoing and redoing actions in a real-world context. When you modify elements on your board, it's not uncommon to want to revert a change quickly or reinstate something you thought better of removing. At this point, let's say you hesitate after making your text bold and decide it was better unbolded. With your keyboard, simply press Ctrl+Z. This will undo the last change you made. On Mac platforms, use Command+Z to achieve the same result. Notice how your text reverts to its original format. Miro keeps track of your changes, ensuring that any modifications can be swiftly undone. But what if you change your mind again, or realize that the initial bold change was actually the right move? No problem, you can redo the action by pressing Ctrl+Y, or for Mac users, Command+Shift+Z. Your text is bold once more. These keyboard shortcuts are crucial for maintaining a smooth workflow in Miro. They empower you to experiment and adjust without the fear of irreversible mistakes, allowing for more creativity and efficiency. And there you have it, the simple yet effective process of undoing and redoing changes in Miro. This vital tool keeps your creative juices flowing and your projects beautifully organized. Continue to explore and test this feature across different elements, inviting even more innovation into your workspace. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find these tips helpful as you navigate your Miro journey. Until next time, happy collaborating.